Okay, right away, I don't remember where my sister got these. I'm the one that puts away groceries, so you think I would remember, but I don't. Anyway, this is Overjoyed, the limited edition pumpkin spice yogurt covered pretzels with sprinkles. I did not know they had sprinkles. Anyway, I've been saving these. Kind of excited. I love pumpkin spice. You can't have pumpkin spice, buddy. I'm sorry. Got a nostalgic smell to it. Here's some of my bubbles. My Weagle the Bagels. Mother, do you have something, Mother? Mother? Will you share with me, Mother? Y'all think I'm joking, I'm not. This child. Mother, heard a bag, Mother. You bitch. Hold up, mommy. It's ugly. On the thing. It looks like an alien face to me for whatever reason. I just want my pumpkin spice. Like they're good. I'm checking the expiration date. We're good. Just inhaled a little piece. I love like chocolate covered pretzels, and I've had like yogurt covered pretzels before. But when I think of yogurt and pumpkin spice, my brain goes, "What?" That doesn't sound appealing. They're good though. I do like these. Oh no, it died. The reason I was checking the expiration date, I personally don't give a shit, but they taste a little kind of stale, kind of not. Like it's not bad, but I feel like their texture's off a little bit. My first thought is stale, but like it's not stale. I don't know. That's like an in between. I could just be losing it. I don't know. It's possible. I mean, they're good. I can get these again. I want to say I think she got them from Costco or from Safeway because that's really the only place she likes to order. But maybe Central Market. I've only been to Central Market like once, maybe twice, if you're counting outside waiting in the parking lot, in the car, listening to music when my sister goes to get shit. But so much so that I don't know if it's actually called Central Market, or if that's just like collectively what locals call it. Anyway, I love pretzels. I love chocolate covered pretzels. I love pumpkin spice. It's a win-win. Yeah. I would recommend getting these if you can. Very delicious. Who'd have thought pumpkin spice and yogurt covered pretzels would go together? I don't know. It's good. Anyway, yeah, bye.